welcome to Matt's Mindful Meals. It's only a quick one today. I'm going out with the lads tonight and we're going to have a big fire, but then we're going to put my grill plate over the top. But I don't fancy a steak. I've changed my mind and I fancy chicken. Now, one of the things about chicken is if you cook a whole chicken, it takes quite a while to do and you have to make sure you keep turning it and make sure it's cooked all the way around. So one of the best ways to do a chicken for that kind of thing is to spatchcock it. Now, I know you can get your butcher to do it, but it's one of the easiest things in the world to do to a chicken. So this video is literally a quick guide how to do your own spatchcock chicken so you can get it cooked on a campfire loads quicker. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm going to use right now. So you don't need any fancy knives. You need a normal pair of scissors or a pair of tough scissors. That's all the tools you need for this. So let me show you how you get it done. So here we go. So this is a medium chicken. So first of all, as I said, the only tools we're going to need is a pair of scissors. So what the first thing you need to do is to damp it off. So get rid of all the excess moisture with a kitchen towel. Turn it over and do the same on its back. Okay, so every chicken I've ever seen more or less comes like this. Now at the back of the chicken, between the two legs, you see this, the tail part of the chicken. So all you need to do, I'll do it with the scissors I always use first. You need to come to the side and simply just cut through the chicken all the way up through its back and its ribs. And keep going in a straight line all the way to the back. I'll do it with a standard pair of kitchen scissors. It's a little bit tougher with these ones because the other ones have got serrated edges on it, but it is perfectly possible. So you don't need to go out and buy a new tool. So that's the centerpiece of the chicken. Now, I'll move those scissors out of the way. And all you need to do now is open up the chicken, press it flat. So now when it comes to actually cooking the chicken, you've got that area and that area. So you just need to turn it over, just like flipping a burger. Anyway, the next thing you need to do really is to get this thing coated in all the flavourings that you want. So we'll move on to that next. So here we go, we're back. So I'm going to coat it with peri-peri seasoning, which is a mixture of chilies, salt and pepper. But I really like the taste of garlic in mine, so I've got some garlic salt on there. I found that if you just put garlic granules on it, it tends to burn a little bit. But then super garlicky, because I'm going to put some garlic paste on it. So this is just crushed up garlic, so this in an oil, so it just coats it quite nice. So first thing I tend to do is just give the breasts a few stabs, one in the thigh, and that just helps just to get the paste in. So first thing, get the garlic puree on it. Now don't be too shy with this. Now, peri-peri. Now, if you're used to watching my channel, you'll know that I do like a lot of chilli. Don't worry about making any mess because it's all going to get rubbed into the chicken. Now for the garlic salt. You don't need too much of that. So it is quite salt. And now all you do is just rub it in with your fingers. But what I do find important on a spatchcock chicken is also do the underside. So you do the underside of the legs, over the wings, and in here. It just adds to the whole flavour. So just repeat the process again. A little bit of garlic salt. Rub it in. How simple's that? Anyway, try it out yourselves, but make sure you cooked it all the way through, but it'll take you a lot less now that you've done this. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you next time. Draw!